Hey guys, welcome back to this brand new video in days 144 of learning how to hack, of completing ethical hacking course. So we are into WPA and WPA2 cracking, ARP request replay. So ARP, what is that? And we'll be coming to know all about that in the coming lectures. But right now, we're gonna deal with how to hack a feature which is present both in WPA and WPA2, and using that feature trying to figure out, not even trying, like if you are able to exploit that feature, if you're able to guess that WPS key feature, then chances are we might, not chances are, like there are 100% chance that you will be able to recover, not even recover, you will be able to find the WPA password, the ASCII password for that. That is whatever the hotspot's password is, you will be able to find. And we are able to exploit both of these features using WPS. WPS is a feature that can be used with WPA and WPA2. As I said, like even if your connection WPA2, you can still try to exploit this WPS feature. Allows client to connect without the password. Okay, that's crazy. Authentication is done using an 8-digit pin. Okay, this 8-digit pin is very small, as you can see, and we can try all possible pins in relative short time. WPS pin can be used to compute the actual password. WPS pin can be used. I will show you. There are two softwares using which we'll do that. The only this only works if the router is configured not to use PBC, push button authentication. If it is, the router is uses push button authentication, so chances are you might be not able to do it because you need to manually physically go and click. You need to get your push button clicks for it to happen, and there are other things that can also play a role of not making it successful. So we will try our best to get it through. We'll try to get it work. So basically WPS feature was developed to connect the devices like printers and all for your hotspot to like with less delay and everything, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, so we'll open two terminals, and or let's say one terminator, two terminals on the same screen, and we're gonna type wash. This software name is wash interface dash dash interface LAN 0 in our case, because our Wi-Fi card's name is LAN 0, and I don't know what's yours. You can do if config and try to find the third option, whatever is the name, you can select that. And when you click on it, so you'll be shown those devices which are having WPS feature. Basically, we'll get filtered out results. So this is the BSS ID, this MAC address of the router, the name of the, you know what I'm saying, vendor, Broadcom. Is it LCK? Is it locked? No. Push button lock and push button unlock. So if it is not locked, then it's a good thing. Crazy. No, you should expect no here. WPS 1.0 version is 1.0. DBM is like how far is the thing from you. Minus 53 is still a very negative number, right? So it's like kind of far. Like how less it is, the closer it is. Channel 1. Anyway, um, when you press that, so it will show like this. Anyway, after that, you need to type in this command. You have to exit this like by pressing Control C, so it will exit this. After typing wash interface LAN 0, you have to type air AI replay, yeah, airplay ng fake authentication. Before we used to use 0 because we just wanted to authenticate 0 time, right? Like just one time, right? Like in 0 seconds we want to re-authenticate, but try to fake re-authentication or authentication. So here we have type 30. So basically in every 30 seconds it will again try to ask authentication. Why is it important? Authentication is important because like the whatever we'll be trying to run right now, like down there, using Reaver, this software. So it will help it uh, try permutations and combinations, like brute forcing of different possible 8-digit pins. So it helps if you authenticate, not helps, like it's required kind of. So dash with authenticate 30 in every 30 seconds it will authenticate, and dash a you're gonna give in. You can see this common number here, right? So this is the BSS ID of the router we are trying to hack into for educational purpose. And hyphen h, you have to type in your a MAC address. So how to find that? You have to type if config. The down there you can see it. The person has typed if config, and the third option here is mon 0 in his case. So the first 12 digits, like it's a long thing you're getting. The first 12 digits, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. And after you copy it, you have to just paste it here, and you can see that something in between there were, I guess, hyphen. The hyphens are removed and you have replaced with colons, right? Colons. And at the end you just have to type in your Wi-Fi router's name. And down there, before even pressing enter, always remember authentication. You don't have to straight up press enter right now. You have to go down and clear the tab, which was before looking like this crazy down there. Clear it and type rever, R-E-A-V-E-R, rever, and type in the BSS ID, which is the same thing, the same. And then you have to type in the channel name, dash dash CHANNEL, channel one only it is, right? And dash dash interface LAN 0. In our case, it will be LAN 0. In this case, it's WAN 0. But also remember to dash minus VVV to provide us more information about it. Even if it fails, why did it fail, to provide more information on that. And then also remember to write dash dash no associate, because it keeps failing, okay, just because of this very reason, because it fails to authenticate, the entire process stops. We have fake authentication, we have tried to do at the top. Why to just make it involved in the same task? So no authentication on this side. Do not try to authenticate, just try to brute force the password. So after you press this, after you press the down thing, you have to then press the up thing, that is the fake authentication. So both will run. And the crazy thing is, in this guy's tutorial case, is like the pin was 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 0. The very first pin that tried, it ended up working. So that was the thing. And because of that, it could find the pin. This was the pin, and it could find the device name, that is test AP, as well as, like, it was already written, the device name was test AP, like क्या क्या था, aerodump ng से हम लोग find, we can find it. And the main password of that WPA password is UAURWSXR for that router. So yeah, and by the way, if he showed in the video that it uses WPA2 password authentication. So that's like crazy thing. We are able to exploit all of this, because I don't think it will be happening in my laptop, but let's just be positive. I don't think I'll be able to find any network even using this wash interface 10. But let's pray. So let's see what happens. Okay, I'll be catching up after I set up the environment. So it has started, and I think you can see the screen. Let me just press it here to split. Okay, let me just put it a bit down as well. Okay, here. So first of all, as you know, we need to plug in our Wi-Fi card. So we're connecting it. I think it's connected. Let's just check LAN 0. Oh, not LAN 0. We have to do if config to see. If config. Yeah, it is connected. And it is showing ether something. Anyway, so IW config is more better right now. It's in a managed mode. And the crazy thing is, you don't even need to set it to monitor mode. You just have to write few password. Okay, first of all, what kind of few password, few code, I mean. But first of all, what we need to type is, I don't know what we need to type. Is wash interface LAN 0. Wash interface LAN 0. Hash dash dash interface LAN 0. Wash. Okay, hopefully I remember it. Wash dash dash interface LAN 0. Okay. Okay. What is the error? Wash. I think we try again. Dash dash interface LAN 0. LAN 0. Okay. So it is searching to find a Wi-Fi with this kind of a thing. I hate this, because I hate this to my core right now, because it is unable to find a device like that. That is so crazy sad. So crazy sad. It is unable to find one. You know, can't find a hotspot with such a function. Why do they teach this thing in the first place if we can't find any device like that? I'm getting angry. I'm literally getting angry. How will I practice those river and all those things on this? Because if it's not possible in the first place, why do you teach these things in the first place then? This thing is literally pissing me off. Crazy, man. Let's check like IW config. I'm really angry. Config. IW config, yeah, config. Oh, by the way, still in the managed mode. I guess that's why. Okay, let's do a aero. I forgot a fucking word. Aerodom ng land 0. अबे यार स्पेलिंग तो ठीक लिख सकता. Oh god, aero dump. Oh, kill me, bro. Aero dump ng lan 0. Okay, so it's running. Let's just out it and again type in our command, which was wash interface. Okay, okay, okay. Crazy. Okay, so this is crazy, man. This shit is crazy, bro. This shit is crazy, man. Okay, my hotspot. Fuck. Yaar. Sorry. Error happened because I ended up disconnecting my Wi-Fi card from because I ended up touching it so bad. Let's just disconnect it and let's connect it from the right side. Okay, I was angry for a second, but now I'm not. Okay, so still if IW config still manage mode, so let's do LAN 0, aerodump LAN 0, and Control C. The quickest way I found to it's in a monitor mode, and let's just clear it and let's try our very command. This was this, and it should show the devices. It will show, and if it is, yeah, it is showing. So these are the devices. As you can see, this is logged. This is not logged, and they are using WPS, different versions, and these are my friends only, like all my friends. Okay, and yeah, most of them are my friend, and yeah, basically that. This one is like he just lives like nearby only, and I like this geofiber. And, yeah, so crazy. Let's just wait and let's see how many devices are available. And look, you get this. These are not even logged. That like WPS button is the WPS push button is not there. It's not logged. It's like you can just attack them. Anyways, these are my buddies, so I can try. Like one is not my buddy of them, so I will not try on that. All of them are my buddies. So let's just press Control C. Okay, so like these are the devices we have right now. We'll not clear the data or anything, so let's do what is the next thing we can do. Right, I'm like suddenly excited. I was super angry, not even kidding, like super angry I was. So the BSS ID is only important, as well as channel is important, as well as vendor name is important after we have cracked the password of that. So we're gonna do right now is um, we have to write the fake authentication for. Let's start with my friend, my now like, who lives in the nearby house only. Let's try his. I know his password by the way already, but let's try cracking it. So we have to type airplay ng fake authentication. Airplay ng, right? Airplay ng. It's not airplay ng. It's airplay ng. Airplay ng dash I guess fake auth, and I think hyphen a, and then we're gonna type in like this guy, my friend. Oh यार कंट्रोल शिफ्ट सी करना चाहिए था. एनीवे लेट्स जस्ट कंट्रोल यहाँ पे इसको करता हूँ कंट्रोल सी. ओके यार क्या कचरा कर दिया मैंने यहाँ पे. एनीवे after that we just gonna get copy this control shift C, and here you just press control shift V. So okay, crazy, so far so good. And I think I hyphen H, and I have to type in your MAC address. So do if config, so here is our MAC address 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. I guess this is right. 4 3s are 12. 4 अबे यार 3 4s are 12, but it's if it 2 6 to 12. Is it 6 times? Yes, it is 6 times. Let's see. And wait. And instead of hyphens, as I told you, you need to put colons. Oh god, I feel like I'm walking on a very small bridge. Even if I do one mistake and it will all go wrong. But let's just slow down, okay? Okay. So let's just see how far we have done it correct. How far the code is written correct. A replay ng fake fake UTH auth. Oh, I just missed how many times I want to do it. 30, right? Parameter should be 30. Fake AUTH auth and let's say it's 30. Okay, and hyphen a, let's just check it again. Hyphen a, hyphen h, hyphen a, and hyphen h, hyphen h, hyphen a, hyphen h, and after that we have to type this river kind of code. And before, don't forget to type LAN 0, your router's name. So we're gonna type it WLAN LAN 0. Okay, so don't touch it right now. Let's clear the down thing right now. First of all, and like REV or whatever the thing is. I feel like just copying pasting it. Oh, double. Ah! I have to go back and copy this. Should I just straight up copy this because it's pain in the ass right now? I don't want this. Like Google it and just come here, paste it, just straight up copy the entire shit and then just straight up paste it here. River Bay SSID channel 1. So we're gonna type in the PSSID of my friends. This control C, control shift C actually, pasted it, and channel is 6, not 1. Channel S, channel 6. And why does it look so weird? I know it looks kind of weird because there should be space, and I think interface also needs one more hyphen, as well as channel also needs hyphen. You know what? We gotta just be sure about what are we doing. Okay, channel needed hyphen, and that's it. Interface and no association also needs double hyphen. Okay, no association also needs double hyphen. Are you sure this should work? Are you sure? Not mon zero. It's like lan zero actually. We don't have anything called lan mon zero. Lan zero. Let's try. Okay, here is a mistake. BSS ID should also, I think, have two hyphen. BSS ID should also. Instead, I would have typed it simply. But anyway, let's just Control Shift C to no from here. Control Shift C and like clear it again. Control Shift V, and it's like easily editable by the way. Yep. So it should work. It should work. So it is working, and let's try. Oh god, I'm just kind of anxious. I don't know. I'm feeling very dizzy seeing all this. That network is down. Which network is down? Let's try again. Are we trying something wrong or unsuccessful? Why? I just pause it then. Okay, just not clear or anything, but let's just come here. I mean, let's see. Okay, I will config. Let's see. The funny thing is that thing went down or something. That is sad. I feel anxious. Geofiber went down. No, it is there. Let's try with my friend. The closest of all is I think 86. This one, Geofire. Just no, no. This is like Naveen. This one also. We can even go for PK99. Let's see. We go for application. Just paste it here and we'll run it. But before that, I guess, do we need anything else? No. I just wanna open side map. Config. Yes. Is it the same? Yes. No, it's not the same. One, two, three, four, six, six. Okay, so land zero. So I gotta erase this one and paste in this one, but with a hyphen. But I don't think it is the correct MAC address. Who cares? I think it keeps changing. Kind of feeling very anxious doing it. I don't know why. Let's try with Cheetah. Do Shift C. Okay. Here, no association. And this is the persons. This one. C. V. And we have LAN 0. Channel S. What is the channel for this? Channel 1. Channel 1. Interface. LAN 0. VVV. Association. So it has a mistake here, which is having a BSS ID should be proper. Should work right now. So just press here, enter. If these things doesn't work, I'll go through this video once more. It's failing every now and then. It was unsuccessful. Why is it unsuccessful? Timeout. Actually, it's not happening. It's not actually happening, not gonna lie. Literally not happening. Unable to create it only. Okay, let's read the error. Try to check the BSS ID minus A option is correct and try to change the number of packets. That's zero option. So it doesn't, the driver doesn't support injection. The attack sometimes fail against some APs. This card is not the channel system for APs. What the fuck, bro? Okay, I'll take some pause. I'll come back after if this is ever become successful. Okay. So let me tell you the progress so far. So far, we are able to do one thing, that is uh, getting authentication correct. So we are getting the authentication successful. That is like something crazy we got. But after that, we didn't see any progress. Like this attack thing of like Reaver is actually not working. I don't know why. So like it's literally not working. Reaver on my friend's BSS ID, it's not working. Let's just exit it. It's not even allowing to exit, I guess. I don't know what's wrong. Oh god, it's not even working. I just close it. Just open one here. Yes, the thing is, it's not working. Something happened. Can't even exit, man. Anyway, so I'll show you the progress later on. It's a very hard process. I thought it's easy. You know what? That just doesn't even work. Just doesn't this revert thing doesn't work on the new routers basically. I don't know what does it mean, but new router that have the WPS1 or WPS2, but doesn't work. Just fucking doesn't work. So let's not fuck our brain with this. And there are better ways to hack the Wi-Fi. And for now, that's it. We'll catch up in the next tutorial. Then take care. We say bye bye.